Happy spelling test! So I had a few people who wrote to me and showed me some very excited kids for only having 5 words on our spelling test. And that's because they are difficult and they don't really follow a pattern. It's more of they're all collected in, they are the inner planets. So these are all the planets that are closest to the sun, and they are on this side of this object right here. And I'm not going to say what it is right now because I have a question about it later if you want to do a little bit of extra. So the first thing I want you to do is get ready. You should have a pencil. You will notice that Mrs. Smith put how many letters are in each of the words next to it. I also used a different color for each one to help you understand. I know that it didn't copy super well, so if you want to just take a moment before each one to draw that many lines, that way you can remember. Maybe you don't need to draw that many lines, but if parents, you find that kids are misspelling, draw how many letters are in each word, and it helps to jog the memory. All right, so let's start with the star of our solar system, literally. This is the sun. Please spell S-A-N. Planet closest to the sun, which is very gray and full of craters, Mercury. Mercury. Remember, that E is not an E. The second planet from the sun, surrounded by poisonous gases, Venus. V-E-N-U-S. Venus. Venus. The third planet from the sun, and the one that is in the Goldilocks zone, it is our planet, it is Earth. 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 Not starting with an R. I don't want to see any R's starting the word Earth. It actually starts with 2 vowels. Keep it in mind. Okay, and then our fourth planet from the sun, we have Mars. Mars. Remember the pirate sound? Mars. Now I added something to my slide here, and I'm going to move over so you can see it. And I added a question. You can either answer this question on your paper. You could just answer it out loud right now. Tell me, what is this set of objects called? Hint, it separates the inner planets from the outer. Is it A, an asteroid belt, B, a meteor shower, or C, a comet smoothie? All right, also for fun, color each of the inner planets according to what we know about the surface of each planet. So remember, we have Mercury, which used to be molten and over time has solidified and is now a certain color, full of craters. We have the second planet, which is covered by clouds of poisonous and materials and chemicals, and very, very hot, hottest planet in our solar system. We have our planet, I think you know about that one. And then we have what is called the red planet, Mars, and it's red. It's called the red planet because you can also color in the sun if you wish, and you can even color in this asteroid belt if you wish. Please try not to move on to the next planets. I have a feeling you know them, but I'd rather you didn't because we will be going over those next week. All right, thanks for taking your spelling test with me. Have a great weekend, guys.